Yes, my dear. Um, for every Muslim, they have to believe in 7 points and 7 things. How many
Uh-huh.
points? How many things?
7 things.
Number one, in
I
believe
believe
in
in
Allah.
Allah, His angels,
Yeah, in His angels. Number three.
His books, His messengers, and the day of judgment. And I believe that all good and evil is decreed by Allah and in the life after death.
Understand? These
Yes.
7 points, every Muslim they must have to believe. If someone want to convert in Islam, so they have to believe in all 7 points. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Today I explain first one. I believe in Allah. This one, what does that mean? Okay.
You believe in Allah as your God,
Yeah.
holy God.
Right. Okay. There is explain. Belief of Muslim regarding Allah is what is the Muslim belief about Allah?
Allah is one.
Yeah.
None is worthy of worship except Allah. He has no partner. He knows everything and nothing is hidden from him. He is the fountain head of all strength and power. He
Right.
has created the earth, the sky, the sun, the moon, the stars, angels, human beings, jinn, and in fact created all the whole universe out of nothing. He is the master of all. He creates and destroys everything in creation is born or brought to an end by his order. He feeds all his creation.
Yeah. He feeds.
All his creation.
Okay. And
He neither eats nor drinks nor sleeps. He himself exists from eternity and will exist to eternity. Nobody gave birth to him. He has no father, no son, no daughter, nor has he
relation. Any
any
relation.
relations.
Yeah.
He is free from all these relations. Everybody and everything depends on him. He does not depend on anyone, nor is he in need of anything.
If someone ask a question, hey, you are Muslim, so tell me, what is your belief about Allah? So then you can explain this. Allah is one. Allah is,
One.
He has no partner.
Uh-huh.
Like like you can explain all the things are in simple words. Allah is one. He has no
No partner.
partner. He has created everything, the whole universe, like skies, earth, sun,
Uh-huh.
moon, angels, human beings, jinns, all the things. Okay.
Uh-huh.
So he feeds all his creation, right?
Uh-huh.
And he creates and destroys. Like everything in creation is born or brought to an end by his order. One day the day of judgment will come, like world will be end.
Uh-huh.
And how is Allah? Allah neither eats nor drinks nor sleeps.
Uh-huh.
And he has no father, no son, no daughter, no any relation. Okay. Relationships makes weak, right? Relationships
Uh-huh.
sometimes make weak. Allah doesn't have any relation. Nobody gave birth to him. So everybody and everything depends,
On him.
yeah, on Allah. Allah does not depend on anyone, nor is he in need of anything. MashaAllah. Now you understand about Allah.
Yes.
So these are power of Allah. MashaAllah. So this is believe. I believe in Allah mean this one, like all the things, like these things. So we have to believe Allah is one and like all the things. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Nice.
Uh-huh. Yes.
Interesting book.
Yes.
Inshallah, we will learn a lot about Islam. There are teaching of Islam deeply. So you can discuss with family members about Allah. Okay. So we learn
Uh-huh.
today belief of Muslims regarding Allah. You can tell them of a few sentence from here. Okay. I hope you know now without see, right?
Yes.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.